Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cooking in Opera, where music and food bring us together. Today we are making a tomato sauce from scratch. I have my awesome tomatoes fresh from the garden, and we're gonna make a really zesty, amazing sauce. So let's get started. These tomatoes are beautiful. I'm chopping them in quarts, and then I'm going to add them to my tray along with a piece of whole garlic, which I'm wrapping in foil, adding olive oil to all of it, my seasoning, salt, a little bit of pepper, fresh parsley, and you can take the liberty with your seasonings, up to you. I'm roasting my tomatoes and garlic in the oven at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. While that's happening, I'm picking my herbs, fresh rosemary and thyme. Now we assemble the sauce. I have those roasted tomatoes, roasted garlic, salt, those herbs which I've washed and chopped, and some purple onion. I've also added 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm pulsing the mixture about 2 to 3 times. We don't want to make it a soup. We are making a fresh and vibrant tomato sauce with lots of veggies. So first I'm going to saute some onions and garlic in a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm adding my chopped eggplant and summer squash, which is also homegrown in the garden, letting that cook down a little bit. And then I'm going to add my green peppers and purple onion. Now it's time to add that delicious sauce. I'm also including some more fresh garlic and some fresh thyme. Mixing everything together, I've boiled the pasta, and I'm going to add that pasta water to the sauce and a drizzle of olive oil. I'm letting the sauce simmer on low heat, and then I'm seasoning for taste, adding a little bit of salt, some more herbs, and then we're good to go. I had some leftover roasted tomatoes which I put on top, and the sauce looks amazing, and I know it tastes amazing. I'm so excited. All right. This is beautiful. The flavor. Mommy, you have to try this. You have to try this, seriously. The flavor, the fresh veggies, the robustness, the zest, it is delicious. So try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to press that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching Cooking in Opera. Bye.